now we're going to debone our soup chicken and discard the bones. Just when the chicken is cooled, just remove the chicken from the bones and put it in a bowl or a pan to save it. And we'll discard the bones and the skin, all of that you'll get rid of, and only save the chicken. Now there may be more chicken here than you want for your chicken noodle soup. You can use it in other recipes. You can make it makes a delicious chicken salad. You chop it up and add a little mayonnaise and seasoning, and it's a delicious chicken salad. You could make this soup using just bones and not have any chicken at all. And it's still a very flavorful soup. Okay, and that's the end of that. Now I'm going to take a portion of the chicken that I'm going to put in my soup. I'm going to make about 4 portions of the chicken noodle soup. And I just want to cut the chicken small. As you can see, we had quite a bit of chicken from our soup stock. We can use that for another meal. You can put it in plastic bags, Ziplocs, and freeze it and use it for something else. Or you can use it for lunch, make chicken salad out of it. It's delicious. This is what we're going to put aside for our soup.